Welcome. Let's start by opening a web page on the technosoft.eu website. Enter the Software and Download section, then select TechnoUtility. Press on this arrow to start downloading the software. Once completed, we can press directly here at the top right to open TechnoUtility or open the Downloads folder on our computer and start it from there. When TechnoUtility opens, press on Install under TS Manager 3, then wait for the loading process to be complete. Press Next when requested. It is recommended to install TS Manager from an administrator account for all users, so in this screen we make sure that everyone is checked and then press Next. We will be prompted to push forward 3 times before the loading process ends. All of the interface drivers are currently installed. After waiting for the installation to finish, we shut down TechnoUtility and discover the software installed on the desktop.